Everyone in the car needs buckle up. Come on, Chris. Sit down. Everybody in the car must buckle up. Okay, Mommy. Okay. Are you ready to go? Kids, are you okay? Okay. See what can happen. No. Keep your seatbelt fastened in the car. Okay, Mommy. Okay. I'm hungry. We need buckle up. What? What is the sound? Look what can happen. Oh no! Always buckle up. I'm hungry. Okay. Let's go! Please don't forget to buckle up. Okay. It's necessary for your safety. Yes. Oh, now you understand why you need to fasten your seatbelt. Okay. Let's go. You don't want to buckle up? Alice, I show you what can happen. Let's go! Now you know why you should buckle up. Now you see why we should buckle up. Alice, don't forget to buckle up. Alice, let me help you. Fasten your seatbelt on airplane. Okay, kids, we are ready for takeoff. And fix it. And go. Let's go. Now you know why it's too important to buckle up. Okay, let the door go first. Let's try. Let's go. Okay, let's go! Please be careful! Are you okay? I always buckle up. You learned this lesson well? Yes! It's time for video games! Mom, you should buckle up. Me? Oh, Chris! I see you learned the lesson well. Let's learn what objects are think or float. Okay. Your car is pink? Yeah. Let's try my box. Yeah. Okay. Bad one. Let's float. Find more objects. Yeah. Okay. Let's find here. Baby balls. Okay. Hammer. Oh, let's check it. What do you think? Is it pink or flood? Flood. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! This ball is floating. Yeah, right? Ah, good job. Flood. Oh, it's floating. Let's check dumbbell. It's too heavy. See. Okay, let's check. It's an industry. Oh, sink! Float. First of all, sink, but now it's float. Yeah. Oh, toy car. Float. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, it's floating. What do you think? Is it float or sink? Sink. Let's check it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, float! Oh my God! Sink! What about color? Sink. Let's check it. Sink. Yeah! Float! Let's check it. It's floating. Sink or float? Sink. Sink. Yeah. Let's do more. Float. Run, run, run. Float. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh. 1 is floating and 3 are sink. Giant diamond. Is it sink or float? Sink. 1, 2, 3. Oh, sink. What about water balloons? Are they sink or float? Float. Can you check it, please? It's float. What about soda? Sink. Let's check it. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh! Look! It's float! Let's open and check. Is it sink or float? It's sink! Yeah! Is this car sink or float? Sink! Okay, let's check it. Oh, it's float! Yeah! Let's check playhouse. Yeah! Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Sink! Yeah! Why do some stuff float and why do some stuff sink? The answer has to do with something that is called density. Everything is made out of tiny particles that we can't see. A plastic spoon and a metal spoon have the same shape and size, but the particles in the metal spoon are closer to each other. Water has density also. The density of metal is more than the density of water, so it sinks. The density of plastic is less than the density of water, so the plastic spoon floats. Do you like this experiment? Yeah. Sink or float? Sink. Float? No water. I want to swim. Sorry, I have a lot of work. This is for you. Just wait. toys. This is for you. Yay! Oh.
Shark, take your toys!
Yeah.
Don't worry, I have a better idea.
Thank you, Mommy.
Welcome, my dear.
Mommy!
What happened, my dear?
This take my toy.
Oh, don't worry, my dear. I help you. Excuse me?
Excuse me.
It's not allowed to take our toys without permission.
Sorry.
Okay, thank you.
Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
Excuse me. Please give me our toys.
Okay.
Goodbye. Oh,
Okay. I found them. Excuse me. Don't take Christian toys without his permission.
Sorry.
Yay!
Run.
Let's make a water slide party.
Please ask permission first before getting other people's toys. Yeah? Oh, my cake! What shall I do?
I help you. Give us your help. Let's do it. welcome, Mommy.
I need to call Super Christian. Chris, I need your help.
Mommy needs help. Superhero help! You're safe.
Thank you, Chris.
Mommy, I need help.
Of course, I help you.
Okay.
Banana?
No! Oh, no!
I said Christian!
Where is chocolate? What?
I did it. Yummy, yummy,
Yummy. It's my candy.
Give me candy, please.
I give you one candy if you help me.
Okay, Mommy.
Okay.
Well done.
Mommy, I'm done.
Choose your color.
Pink.
Okay, pink.
Thank you.
Strawberry ice cream. Oh, blueberry ice cream. Yeah!
Ice cream.
Hey! I give you some ice cream if you help me.
Okay, Mommy. Let's do it. Okay. Mommy, I'm done.
Oh, thank you. This is for you.
Thank you. Yay! Yummy.
Okay.
Apple.
Oh, I want juice.
All juices belongs to me. I'll give you juice if you help me.
Okay, Mommy.
Good job, Chris.
Yummy.
I like candies. What? It's not working. I need more.
Hello.
Hello, Chris. I need your help.
Okay. I help you.